In the forest. We're inside of the forest, everybody. Alright, so yeah man, I use some all-purpose seasoning mix. That is it. Good vibe. In the forest. We're inside of the forest, everybody. Oh, look at that. Yeah, man. Yeah, we're in the forest. We're inside of the forest, everybody. Let's not get it twisted.
Run, Forest, run!
Oh, hey, people. Yeah, man. Welcome to 24-hour kitchen, people. You don't know what I'm going. We're fully active and we're fully there outside. Come and have a look, yeah? So, I'm not even going to play around, people, yeah? You must have saw the video, yeah? How to light a campfire, yeah? Alright, see the fire, yeah, people, yeah? Alright, what have we got in the pot? We got some lentils in there, people, yeah? A good vibes. So, yeah, man, thank you very much, people, yeah? We're in the forest. We're inside of the forest, everybody. Let's not get it twisted.
Run, Forest, run!
Oh, yeah, man, the smoke. So, remember, look. Yeah. All right, so had to come back outside again in the forest, everybody. Yeah, you don't know how the thing go. Look, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. Big up yourself. Yeah, man, we're doing a lentil soup today, people. Yeah, ayato. Yeah, normally we use peas. Sometimes we use peas, not normally. Sometimes we use peas, red kidney beans, gungo beans, black eyed peas, loads of other peas, but I haven't put lentil on the program like this, people. Yeah, so I thought it'd be good to do like a lentil soup with pumpkin, with okra, with chocho. Yeah, man, a good vibes. A good. Hey, I'm me and D there, you know. Yeah, man, conscious. Big up yourself. Respect for coming through as well, my brother. Yeah, yeah, man, a good vibes.
Peace.
We got this on the program as well. Some chocho. Yeah, man, big up yourself, people.
Chinese apple. Or pear, I should say. Chinese pear, they call that.
Yeah?
But it's true. Chocho, I prefer that name because more time, it's a vegetable, innit? You can put it in your stew, put it in curry. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Good vibes. Big up yourself. Oh, hey, look at this, everyone. So, yeah, man. So, we're going to be making an ayato soup today, people. Yeah, so we've got pumpkin, yam, thyme, Irish potato, Edos, which is also known as cocoa, Scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, some okra, right plantain as well, people, yeah. The lentils already on the fire, boiling up, so good vibes. What me say? Good vibes. Big up yourself, everybody, yeah. Remember, say we're coming out of season 7 and going into season 8, people, yeah. So good vibes. Look out for the new season that's coming out soon, people, yeah. Big up yourself. Yes, everyone, more time, you know, say we have to deal with the fire away, you know, so yeah, man, just go and get it to see it there. Good vibes. All right, so right about now I need wood again, because you can see, yeah, need some wood. So I'll come back over to where I was. Good vibes. Alright, so I've got some wood, some sticks and all them kind of things there. So good vibes. Yeah, man. All right, people, so as you can see, look at this. Wow. The lentils, them are nice, bubbling, boiling up, good vibes. See the ingredients, them? I'm gonna start to peel the first thing. What's the first thing I'm gonna put in the pot, everyone? Obviously, the pumpkin. Because I need this pot to have a very rich red color. And what can give me that? The pumpkin also added with the lentils, people, yeah? Are good vibes. Yes, everyone, so what I'm doing now quickly is gonna add the pumpkin to the pot. Are good vibes. Woo! So I'm just adding the pumpkin in the pot, everybody. Big chunks of pumpkin gone in. Why? And then the next thing that I'm gonna add inside of the pot, everybody, yeah, from early, add some garlics. Good vibes.
Yeah, man.
Yes, everyone, so I'm gonna add in some thyme and some garlic. Yes, everyone, so big up yourself. Yeah, man, we're fully active. Just come outside in the forest again, and I thought, say, yeah, man, long time we don't do an I2 pot. So today we're getting an I2 pot, people, yeah. So a good vibe, and you know what I'm saying? When we use thyme, we get scallion as well, people, yeah. So good vibes. Come in and have a look. Come in and have a look. Come in and have a look. So what I'm adding as well, everyone, here is a piece of ginger. Yeah, man, add a piece of ginger to the pot. Just peel it off. Yeah, man. See?
Oh, what?
Whoa.
Good vibes.
So conscious, just a add rotted carrot them coming like they want to jump with.
Jump out the garden.
Alright, so yeah, we're just adding in some carrots as well. The pot seems like it's slanted, so I need to quickly cut up the carrot and then fix the pot. Good vibes. Alright, so yeah, man, I use some all-purpose seasoning mix. That is it. Good vibes. Scotch bonnet pepper. I feel drop in right now. You smell the flavors coming out of the pot, people. Yeah, good vibes. I don't need too much onion in there.
That's a little sprinkle.
Yeah. So I got the yam now. Peel the yam. Chop the yam and put the yam in the pot. Yeah, man. Make that go and boil.
Good vibes.
Good vibes. Alright, everyone, so I've had to work really quick and really fast right now, cause look, the pot's on the fire, everything's going in, but guess what? The rain's coming down right now on me, and yeah, I'm outside, but guess what, go on? We still have to cook this food, people, regardless of the rain or whatnot. Conscious there, so right now I pack up in bag.
Suitcase, huh?
Yeah, I have to pack up right now. Gone!
Yeah.
Alright, people, look at this. Good vibes. Good vibes are going. In the meantime, yeah, man, the pot are going bubble. I just want to add in the coconut milk right now. Conscious, you want to put in the coconut milk for me, please?
Yeah.
Good vibes.
Right there.
Alright, everyone, so I'm going to add in the coconut milk. Yeah, man, the coconut cream, yes, sir. I hate that. Into the pot. Bring out that creaminess. We've got the pumpkin in there. Everything in there. So the last thing I want to add in there now, you know, conscious here, is the chocho.
Okay,
No, not the chocho. I want to add
okra.
The okra them.
Yeah.
See them, yeah?
Just chop them.
Yeah.
Just chop them up.
Yeah, good vibes.
Good vibes. Last things in the pot. Okra. Final piece. Smell good.
Good vibes. I'm being conscious of working and rain in the queer, man. Oh gosh. Alright, yeah, that's enough. So
Last piece of coconut oil.
look a bit of coconut oil for going there as well. Yeah.
Virgin coconut oil, people, yeah?
Yeah?
Not no deodorized thing.
Alright, good vibes. Look at that. Yeah, man. So we're gonna make everything go and bubble up now, people, yeah? Big up yourself. Don't forget to do the right thing, people, yeah? Good vibes. Wow, everybody, look. We can see that there's something going on around here, you know. Let me bust the pot. Ho, look at that. Good vibes. Good vibes. Take no check, so guess what? Fling on some jeans, fling on a jumper. Yeah, man, good vibes. Good vibes. Yes, everyone, thank you very much. We've come to a completion. The rain has held out for me, so I'm gonna thank the universe and thank nature as well. It's a good vibe. I have to fling on my jeans, fling on my jumper. They don't know, so we can't take no check out here. We're in England, London, people, yeah. Good vibes every time. Big up yourself. Today's episode was all about cooking a natural ital soup, people, yeah. Lentil, all the good stuff, yam, chocho, pumpkin, thyme, garlic, ginger. Oh my gosh! Plantain. You've never seen a lentil. Cocoa as well. You've never seen a lentil soup on the program before. So big up yourself. Good vibes. All right. Wow. Look at that. Yeah, man. So tasting time. Piece of yam. Ooh. Cocoa, some more soup, pumpkin, lentil, some carrots. Coming. Bring the camera in. Look at that, everyone. Thank you very much, people. Yeah, 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. It was a pleasure to be outside cooking for you guys today. Look, I got a wooden spoon. I'm gonna place my plate there. Good vibes. Thank you, everyone. Respect. This is how we have to wash the pot after we're doing the thing, camping. We have to just get some leaves, people, yeah? Yeah, man, and wash out the pot.
So you just get some little bush and you use it like a scrubber. Because you don't want the stains to be like residue and mucus around the pot. So, you know, you work with what you have.